Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can export a single task in your projects on Freedcamp as a PDF file format onto your device. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me go with this example task here inside that project. So what you want to do is, actually you can export an entire task list. So what you want to do is click into that gear icon in the top right. And here under Manage or Export, Import and Share, you will see these options. You can email, create a link, or export to XLS or PDF. Click into it. And then Freedcamp will start converting the given task list. Actually, it's the entire project, right? So to be 100% precise here, that's how you actually convert the entire project into PDF, and the task of course will be included in that PDF, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.